How to invest money in share market for beginners in India. India, a land of diverse cultures and traditions, has a great chunk of its population devoted to watching or reading Indian news and news of the world. The news sector witnessed major metamorphosis over time. Initially, it was the newspaper that dominated the news platform, with readership extending up to the remote interiors with less literacy. Newspapers have still retained their readership, updating readers about Indian news, world news, regional news, breaking news, sports news, entertainment news, and more. With the introduction of VID television in India, a visual display of news further gained impetus. Whether it is breaking news or just news headlines, one can watch India news and engage at the same time in some other useful activity like having breakfast, tea, and the like. Then came the internet. Only a click ships one to a wealth of news related to all segments and happenings at the national and international level. A key advantage of browsing through Indian news online is that you can get a glimpse of the breaking news in a matter of seconds in between your work schedule and resume your work again. All you need is a laptop, computer, and access to the internet. A number of news portals covers all existing segments on Earth, whether political, economic, social, cultural, and the like. One online news destination that is home to updates related to stock market, finance, deals, businesses, industries, quotes, funds, in addition to happenings at the global level. Entertainment news, breaking news, all Indian news is Reuters. First in exclusivity are the apt terms to describe it when it comes to coverage. Most of the Indian news and breaking news here are covered hours before other sites cover them. Browsing through this portal for news keeps the reader updated way ahead of others. All news portals provide more or less the same news, and it is a matter of getting updated. Surfing in any of the portals will keep you updated with the breaking news and all other news of other sectors.